evening, fellow students, members of staff, industry guests, and IVOG entrants. Welcome to Chiasma's 4th IVOG Awards. My name is Ikshita Mandal, member of the Chiasma organizing team and your host for this evening. I'd like to start off by thanking the Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences Orchestra for their lovely piece at the foyer. I'm sure it was enjoyed by all and was indeed a lovely start to this evening. Chiasma took birth 4 years back with the aim to create links between the biotech student community at the University of Auckland and the New Zealand biotech sector. Every year, we run a series of successful events, provide students with valuable career opportunities, as well as give them a platform to network with the New Zealand biotech industry. IVOG is Chiasma's annual biotech idea competition. It aims to foster innovation and entrepreneurship among science students to create business-savvy scientists. This year, we have received 17 entries with ideas ranging from a biosensor to a watch-style heart or stroke monitor. Tonight, 3 entries will receive cash prizes, but we are here to acknowledge all the IVOG entrants. These are the entrants who have dared to take the first step into the world of entrepreneurship. The Chiasma team congratulates them and wishes all of them the best for tonight. Without further ado, let us get on to this evening of excitement, suspense and celebration. The program for tonight will proceed as follows. First, we have Chiasma CEO Lillian Huan for an introduction. She will be followed by our guest speaker, Dr. Stuart McLachlan from Anzalone Limited. Then, our IVOG liaison, Naeem Amiri, will bring us to the much-awaited announcement of the Chiasma winners of 2008. So please welcome on stage, Chiasma CEO Lillian Huan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to have you all here at the new ONG Glen building, the new home for the business school. And first of all, congratulations to all the students that in the IVOG 2008. And I wish you all best of luck for tonight. IVOG, or Innovation Evolution, is Chiasma's annual novel biotech idea competition. I have been involved with Chiasma for the last 3 years, and this year is my first time involved in the judging process as a support in the judges' room. From my point of view, it certainly has been a very fascinating process, with some judges being on complete opposite end of scale regarding some entries, but more or less in concordance with other entries, especially of the final 6. Not only will the top 3 share from a pool of $6,500, with the winner taking away $5 grand, we're also rewarding the other 3 entries that missed out the cash prize with $50 worth of voucher for their efforts. In addition, all top 6 will receive free consultation opportunity with Bowen's intellectual property firms. The keys for this competition are: is this idea totally novel? Is this idea doable, even if it's way in the future? And is it marketable? Wait a minute, a proposal that is both original and feasible sounds difficult. Well, I'm pleased to say that this year, 22 people have challenged themselves and submitted an IVOG entry from a diverse biotech discipline that capture these 2 qualities. The ideas range from biomedical engineering and IT solutions to environmental and food sciences. Almost all the entrants tonight are entering for the very first time, and I congratulate them for taking their first step into the world of biotech entrepreneurship. There's no beauty but the beauty of action, and I sincerely hope you will continue on with your idea into Spark and or entering IVOG again if you're not successful this year. Chiasma is part of the university's effort to create a mutual, innovative, and entrepreneurial culture, and was set up by a group of proactive students who identified this need. You might be wondering why these individuals need to be innovative. While large biotechnology firms are undoubtedly important, the role of small and medium, research-intensive companies, which have emerged from new opportunities opened up by life sciences, is gaining momentum. These dedicated biotechnology firms are primarily university or large company spin-off, where individuals recognize the industrial benefit of a developed scientific and technological knowledge and took it one step forward, off the bench, into commercially useful techniques and products. Indeed, biotechnology is a powerful source of growth and social progress. In New Zealand, the total sector income has doubled since 1999. Exports are increasing 30% a year, and The number of people employed is increasing 20% a year. And this also reflects on the surge of funding available for biotech enterprises from government and private venture capitalists. I hope all the entrants can take away the fact that it is people like yourself that will be essential to create a prolific biotech industry in the near future. So don't stop now. Continue to get involved outside your academic life, engage in entrepreneurial activities through SPARK, attend an NZ Bio event, or get involved more with all Chiasma can offer. We've got Synapse, the Biotech Expo, coming up, and do check out our website regularly. Before we continue on the evening, I would like to acknowledge one of our Chiasma members, Karanidhi Paspali, on winning the NZ Bio Student Poster Competition last month. Every year, this university enters the most posters and, of course, brings home the best prize. Karanidhi's poster is on display at the foyer alongside a selection of other posters from the University of Auckland, so I encourage you to all have a look. That's all from me tonight. Good luck to all the entrants and enjoy the rest of your night.
Thank you, Lillian. Our speaker for the evening has brought into the local biotech industry a pool of education and experience from the UK and the States. He received his PhD in chemistry at the University of California at Davis. He holds rich work experience in the biopharmaceutical field, from working in Bristol Myers Squibb and Nycomed Amersham in the United States, before moving to New Zealand to start SJM Associates Limited, a consulting company that expertises in clinical trials. Dr. Stuart McLachlan is currently the CEO of Anzimune Limited. Anzimune won the NZ Bio Deal of the Year in April. It is a startup biotech company developing new treatments for hay fever and asthma in New Zealand and Australia. To tell us more about Anzimune and the success story so far, please put your hands together for Dr. Stuart McLachlan.
Okay, just while we're waiting for the slides to come up, first, thank you very much for the welcome, and also thanks very much